video. Today we're gonna talk about how to understand price and time. We're gonna show you guys the charts about it and how to use it and why to use it. First of all, time matters more than you think. Most traders only focus on price and not timing. But institutional traders use time-based liquidity windows, kill zones, session overlaps, liquidity sweeps, all time-driven. I will show you guys shortly after this. Time creates the structure. Every kill zone, every manipulation happens on time, not randomly. That's why understanding time frames and market sessions is just as important as price levels. Let's go to the chart and I will show you guys. Okay guys, this is a trade that I took on the Euro USD. Oh, for today we only gonna check Euro USD. We can also maybe check the OX, but I just want to check Euro USD for the day. I took this trade and I will show you guys how time works on this. As you see, the Asia high gets swept, and after that we went to Asia low and swept it also and took out a lot more of liquidity. But you think, why you took this entry? Because why wouldn't prices melt down to this OT? Really easy of time. As you see guys, we are perfectly in the New York kill zone. I call this kill zone the kill zone of kill zones. Oh, my bad. The kill zone of kill zone is between 8:30 and 9:30. Or it was 8. No, sorry, 8 and 9:30. The kill zone of kill zone is a place where price most likely is want to reverse. Why it did reverse from here? Because price went down and I was really bullish of the day. Every other sentimental data, every data was suggesting bullish, and on this moment is price most likely to reverse. Maybe I'll show you another example of why time also matters, like the kill zone, like this one, maybe around this one, also with the kill zone here. I will draw for you guys the kill zone for you guys. 1 second. Now you guys can see what I meant. Like this. Oh, I know why my chart is getting smaller and bigger. But here, if price in this kill zone is going to an order block, believe me, most of the times it will respect it and go the other way. Like right around here, drawing tools, around here, we hit this order block right here. We did hit it, OB plus, and we reversed trade of it. Maybe we can show you another day. Around here. Also this kill zone. Did we just hit it or not? This order block right here. Okay, I can check for you guys if we did hit it. Right around here. Oh, we did not, but it was close to hitting it. But this is also in the kill zone. We traded to our order block, but I don't think we hit it. It was, or maybe on this, I don't know where this candle, this candle's right here. No, but we didn't hit it. But we hit it later, but that was not in the kill zone, but was close to hitting the order block, but we just did not. Maybe also on this day we can also show you. It's not always, but it's a lot of times it happens. If we in this interval of time we hit something, it's likely to reverse. I will do it like this, it's a bit easier. Not really also, it was just consolidating this moment. We went down, but did we hit something? Yeah, there's order block right here. Maybe if you would have took this entry, oh, I'm sorry, and put your stop loss below the order block wick, would you have take to our, no, just not, but if you were to on the order block 2R, but it would just not give you 2R. But after 1R, if I teach my what I teach my students is always just put your TP on break even to be sure. But we did not just hit it. Or if you would enter it on the open of the order block, what I do also a lot of times, like this, on open, close to the open, yes. And you put it like this, then you would have taken 2 risk reward. Great trade. Let's see if we see it somewhere else. Last example of it, and then we'll go to the next thing about this. 8 around here, and then to 9:30. Let's see also, you have to think, oh, which order block I have to take, which way. I will show you guys also what order block you have to take and when not to take it. In this interval, we did kind of hit like this. If you go to the 30-minute chart, I think you'll see it. Oh, 1 second. Right here. Oh, you wouldn't have seen it, but I will show you guys 1 second. 1 second. It's getting boring, I know. But that's sometimes, it's never getting boring with me. No, we didn't hit just the order block right here, but yeah, there's a difference. But if you like this, the order block, you can also say we hit the order block, but no, we didn't, but it was close again. But some people draw it like this, but then you say we hit it, but you, of course, you will have taken 2R. But like, I will go back to one of the examples I have drawn for you guys, like this one here. You have could taken this trade, just this order block of expectation right here, and I take 2R, but you have also could taken, if it was bearish on the day, I didn't trade this day, but if you were bearish on this day, you also can say this like this. This order block right here, OB minus. You also could have had and taken this order block in this kill zone. You see, it could also be this example, but here we just did not hit. But maybe if you go back a little bit, there's no order block right here, but now you can say that like this order block if you dare. Because a whole big leg, an order block has to be like 2 candles bigger than 2 candles small. An order block, if you don't know what an order block has to be, it has to be 2 times smaller than the leg it's created. So it has like I will show you guys one. So I've made a video about this. You can also check that one, but I will show you guys 1 second. Like this. I also have said like this. Order block also hit right here. B minus. But you have to see it like this order block. I will show you guys 1 second what valid order block is. This and then maybe like this, and then oh, this is a valid order block. The opposite closing candle has to be 2 times smaller than the move of it. So if a candle closes, it has to be 2 times smaller, or the leg has to be 2 times bigger, and we cannot have like before, if it was like this, we cannot have like it closed above and we went back to it and got up 2 times after that because we mitigated the order block on the leg to go higher. So that's not a valid order block, but that's about time, the KZ. So one thing you have to know about it, it's between 8.00 9:30. That's the time to look for great trades. That is the New York kill zone, the strongest kill zone of them all. Believe me, if you only trade this time, believe me, you're going to be profitable if you know what you're doing. But that's one of the times you have to be careful with, and you can take a lot of trades of it. It's an important time, it's an easy time to use. And maybe, of course, I will not trade today because it's a little bit bad price action, but that's a time you have to look for. So guys, that was it for this video. I kept it fast because I do have a lot of other things I have to travel with. See you guys in the next video. I will try to make a lot of videos again. Let's begin 2026 great again. See you guys later.